Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. I want to take a few minutes and show you this brand new Nauticstar 249 XTS bay boat. And folks, this boat's available, can you believe it? You'll see that it's equipped with the brand new Yamaha 300. Notice how the redesign of that engine, and I gotta tell you, this boat will get it. It'll get you fast across the bay, the lake, out in the Gulf as fast as you want to go. I wanted to point out a few things. Look at this huge, enormous casting deck. When you're out there fishing, you got plenty of room just to walk around and land those big fish. You got storage compartments throughout, tackle storage, an awesome 30-gallon live well here in the back. And then look at these awesome jump seats for that ride in and out, okay? Notice the nice helm captain chairs here. You got plenty of rod holders all throughout, rocket launchers. Got your bolsters here. You got an extra cooler here that you can dub as your sandwiches, your drinks, or you can use that as a fish box. And you know, a lot of neat features in this boat. Put your feet, comes all your controls here. You got your CL5 display. You got a nice infinity stereo with speakers throughout. You got electronics box up here, folks. Nice, beautiful blue courtesy lights all throughout the boat. And I want to point this out. This is new. Notice this windshield here. Folks, you can take this windshield and you can go down once or you can go down twice. That's nice because as you can see, the boat's wet. We just had to wait a few minutes for a little storm to come by, so we had that up. As you walk up here to the bow, notice this nice cushioned seat here. But look at here. Here's another live well. Why is that important? Because when Andy's fishing in the back, Kenny's gonna be up here on the front on this casting platform doing my fishing. You've got huge fish boxes right here. And then you've also got, I wanted to point this out to you, you've got storage here, but notice both sides you can store your rods and reels, and these are lockable, so you can lock them. This one even comes with the option of the nice seat here for those people that just like to sit and relax. I know Andy likes to sit when he fishes, you know. So, but if you don't want this, just pull it straight out, keep it at the dock, keep it at the house, throw it in the truck. Of course, you got your anchor locker there. But folks, this is a fantastic boat, bay boat. This thing will get in 14 inches of skinny water. It's got a stepped hull, smooth ride when it gets a little choppy. And what's the icing on the cake? Very accessibly priced. So again, my name's Kenny Brown here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.
All right.